Let's see how to add custom words to your autocorrect in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to add your autocorrect words, simply go onto the File tab, click on Options, and under Proofing, right here, open Autocorrect Options. And right here, you will see the option to replace text as you type. Now here, enter your word that you most probably misspell when typing. Let's go ahead and type in FXO and replace with Fox. Now click Add and click OK twice. Now let's go ahead and try typing our sentence with a misspelled word. And as you can see, the wrong spelling of FXO automatically gets autocorrected into the word Fox. And that is how you can set autocorrect words in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.